Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the position of the points. That means where the point is located in the xy plane. Now let us consider this is the plane. It is a horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane. If the point is located here, then what we have to see what is the front view, what is the top view. Before seeing that, we have to note some points. First, if the point is located in the horizontal plane, then always it will be the front view. If the point is located in the vertical plane, it is always in the top view. Now let us consider the point A. If the point A is in the horizontal plane, always denote it with A dash. If the point is in the vertical plane, denote it with A, just A. There is no anything, just it is A. And if the plane, here first we will see the horizontal plane. In the horizontal plane, as per the university in the BTech, we will see just only the above horizontal plane and below. If the above horizontal plane means we have to consider above the xy plane. This is, let us consider it is the xy reference plane. Above horizontal plane is here. Below horizontal plane is here. These are the two symbols. Next, what we consider vertical plane. That means in front. In front means below the xy plane. Next, what behind. Behind means we have to draw above the xy plane. This we have to draw above the xy plane and the rotations. This is in front of the vertical plane. This is behind vertical plane. These are some basic concepts. Let us go into the problem. The question: the position of the point which is 20 mm in front of the vertical plane and 30 mm above the horizontal plane. First, draw the reference line. This is the xy reference line. First, we see the in front of the vertical plane. In front means what I told. VP. VP down, how many millimeters? 20. Next, HP. Above means to the upside and the 30 mm. Whatever you draw first, as you wish, 20 mm below the horizontal plane. Consider it 20 mm. In the horizontal plane, the point is A. Next, above the it is in the vertical plane and it is the horizontal plane, and this is 30 mm and this is 20. This is A dash. This is the simple representation of these points. Now let us change the problem. If it is, take it as below behind vertical plane, and this below horizontal plane. Now read the given question. Behind, what is behind? Towards up, VP. How many? 20 mm. Next, 30 mm. What is HP? Below means downwards. This is the xy reference plane. And next, behind means towards up. It is 20 mm. It denoted with A. Towards below. Here the distance is 30. Here 20. Denoted with A dash. Here it is in the horizontal plane, so that dash will be we are denoting, and here it is the vertical plane, so that we are denoting with A. Next, we will see the different problems. Here I am clicking above. First, draw the xy plane. Now we will see 30 mm above the xy plane. That means above 30 HP. Next, 20 mm behind means towards top. Next, VP. First, above, draw the 30 mm line. This is the 30 mm. It is in the horizontal plane, so that it has. And next, 20 mm in the vertical plane. That means behind the vertical plane. This is the 20 mm, and we have to denote it with A. This is the one of the simple problem. Next, we will go with another problem. xy reference plane, the 2 points shift towards the downward. Here 30 mm, that means the A dash, and here 20 mm in front of the vertical plane, that means towards down. The both arrows will be come towards down. This is a simple representation, and they gave that the both points are one point is on the vertical plane and one point is above the vertical plane. We will see on VP and 20 mm above HP. First on VP, the point is located on the XY reference plane. That means what we denote is it is in the vertical plane, so that A, and above the HP, that means towards up, and next the HP, it is the 20 and denoted with A dash. This is the problem. Next we will go with the other problems. Next, how to draw if the both are in the same plane. That means on HP, on VP. They will ask in or on, whatever it be. In the maybe questions they will ask in the HP for draw the reference line. In the HP means here, same. In the VP means same here. Denote for the denotions, whatever in the here the first is horizontal plane, denoted A dash, and the vertical plane, that means A. This is the simple denotation. We can complete the project. I hope this will be useful for you. Once again, thank you for all watching.